weight on your left, strutting on your right. Are you ready? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, toe strut. K-step now. Turn to the right with an out spin, out in jazz box, cyclo side back rock. And again, that's it, toe strut. K-step. Turning to the right with an out spin, out in jazz box, cyclo side back rock. And again, off we go, toe strut. K-step. Turning to the right with an out and a little jazz box, cyclo side back rock, strutting it. K-step. Turning it to the right, jazz box, cyclo side back rock, and toe strut. You've got it now. K-step. Turning to the right, out spin, out in jazz box, chassé, cyclo side back rock, cyclo side back rock, toe strut. K-step. Turning it now with an out spin, out in jazz box, chassé. You've got all different words. You've got a Monterey quarter turn or a chassé back rock. Doesn't matter as long as you're doing this. That's it. Cyclo side back rock. Strutting it. K-step. Turning it. Out spin, out in jazz box. And cyclo side back rock. Cyclo side back rock. K. We're turning it out, spin, out in jazz box, chassé, back rock, toe strut, K-step. Turning it with an out, spin, out in jazz box, chassé, back rock. You got it. Turn it now, out spin, out in jazz box, chassé, cyclo side back rock, cyclo side back rock. K-step. Turn it now, out spin, out in jazz box, cyclo side back rock. You're nearly there now. K-step. Turning it now, out spin, out in jazz box, cyclo side back rock. Get ready for your pose and stop. Well done.